Alright, good morning everybody. This is another trading day in the week. Today is Monday, May 6th, 2024, and today we're about to go live with the YouTube. I'm pretty bullish right now as we going into the day. Everything's just kind of screaming bullish. About to go live over here, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Oh my god, we are at 60 viewers here. This is ridiculous. Crazy. Alright boys, we just got done going live with the YouTube. We peaked at 71 fucking viewers, which is fucking amazing. We are down about 1.9k, but I am in this long right here. And I'm going to move my stops to this low. We shouldn't really seek out this low again because I moving my stops up because we did just sweep out this high, and if I move my stops to break even, we do have this 1 minute fair value gap that we could come back and tap before going back up. So I'm just going to move my stops right here. And yeah, like I said, we're down about 1.9k. We're 1.8 right now because we're in a trade. But other than that, guys, I will catch you guys in a little bit and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so I ended up adding another contract here at this fair value gap here because we were respecting it. Add another one, and now we're in drawdown, major drawdown. My stop loss is this candle here. So we'll see what happens, but yeah, we're in major drawdown right here. We're down 32 ticks. Pretty much, we just got done going live, and this is like literally I'm off work right now. So I just got off work, so I didn't have time to do the trade recap during the day. So this is the trade recap now. So we took 5 trades and we lost all of them. We took 5 trades and we lost all of them. Let's get right into it. So basically, first trade here, we were bullish structure, right? We were bullish structure everything, and I was like, okay, look, market opened up here, market pushed up, right? I was like, okay, we have this fair value gap right here, and I was like, okay, look, I'm gonna look along this fair value gap right here because at the time, 4 hour was bullish, 4 hour was bullish. 4 hour was bullish right here, 1 hour was bullish here also, and literally 15 minute was bullish and 5 minute was also bullish. So I was like, okay, this looks great for longs, and we could target these inefficiencies, these highs and everything, right? So we took the long, we took a quick L on this. Like I said, our risk was super tight and super small, so we didn't risk too much on our trades. And so yeah, took a small L here in the morning on the 1 minute here. Took a small L here in the morning. Literally just I had the right idea, just literally just took an L. So then I was like, okay, we tapped this higher time frame PDRA. I'm gonna look to short to come down to this 1 minute fair value gap because this is the next magnet, this is the next draw on liquidity. I was telling the people in the chat, like, this is literally going to come back down and tap us, right? So I was like, okay, look, we tapped the higher time frame PDRA. I'm looking to short to target this 1 minute buy side, or this 1 minute BISI right here. So basically I entered a really early short, actually really early short, and I was looking to, I shorted off of this 15-second or this 30-second fair value gap right here somewhere. I added the position here. So basically I saw that, I was like, I actually didn't add it right here. So basically I saw us tap this, respect it, and then we had another displacement down to the downside. I entered off here, price came back up and started chopping around for a little bit, and then came back up, swept out this high again, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna look to take another short, but I'll wait for more confirmation this time. So then I was like, okay, so I was like, basically we come back down, we broke structure to the downside on the 1 minute here, broke structure to the downside, and I was like, okay, look, I'm gonna look to short. I got entered here at this fair value gap here, and I kept adding. I had 4 total contracts in this trade, so I added as we went on. So I had one here, displaced down, I added another one here, and then it came back down, and I was like, okay, look, we need to run through this fair value gap. Once we ran through this fair value gap, I added another contract here, and then I added, so basically I added one more, and then boom, price came back up, added another one, and then my stop was a candle closure above this fair value gap right here. And I also added at this gap right here also, so this gap was holding pretty well. So then and then we got stopped out, right? We got a candle closure above this fair value gap, and I was like, okay, look, I'm getting out of my positions. Then I was like, okay, we have bearish SMT now at the highs. Bearish SMT, we're in this PDRA, we're accumulating, right? So I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep waiting. I'm gonna wait for even more confirmation this time. So basically, bearish SMT, fair value gap up here. We tap this order block, this higher time, this 1 minute order block. Tap the order block here, displace, broke structure to the downside, tap this fair value gap, rejected fairly well, and then I saw that I saw this fair value gap get respected, boom, to the downside, and I think I took a short here in the live YouTube. Actually, I took a short here. I took a short here, and then I kept adding, right? So my fill was eventually this right here. So I added. So basically my fill was here. Boom, enter my shorts. My stop was this right here, and then we displaced down, and then I added another position here at this fair value gap right here. I was like, this is a unicorn model here. I added another contract. Boom, I got that done, and then price came back down. Price displaced through this, went up, came back down, added another contract here. So now we're in 3 total contracts here, and my risk was above these highs up here around this level here, and we got stopped out. And I was very long biased. I don't know why I kept going short. So the time I do go long, we got fucking stopped out. So that's literally it. So price came and then dumped, right? So I was off the charts at the time. This was just a chart. This was just a trade on by myself. Basically, came up, right? So we came up, displaced, tapped this fair value gap, displaced even higher. We came back up. I added my first contract right here. Came back down. I added another one at this level here, and then I was looking to move myself to break even here after taking out this high, but at the same time I was like, okay, we could just keep going back up because we do have this 1 minute fair value gap right here, and this is my entry right here. So I added one here, and then once we came back up, tapped this 1 minute fair value gap, respecting it fairly well. So I added another position here. So I was doing 2 contracts this time, and then price eventually just dumped down to this level of this fair value gap right here that I marked out, and price just eventually pumped up. And I did not catch this, unfortunately. It's all good though. But other than that, guys, those are the trades we took today. We took 5 fucking L's on a losing streak so far, but I know we'll bounce back for sure. I'm up about 1.4, I think, on the combine. I'm not too sure, but other than that, guys, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. But number 43 day in the life is about to be uploaded. Next here, public, and yeah, we're finished. Alright, boys, we just got done with the gym. I didn't really film anything at all. Just had some chest. Okay, yeah, but I had some chest and shoulders. But I'm about to go to work. Yeah, it's about 5:40 right now, so I'm gonna head to work at 6, and I'll catch you guys all later then. Bro, I'm like watching TikTok, and like apparently we have a tornado risk like later tonight or later in the day. We have a high risk tornado, and it looks completely okay outside. That's the thing. That's the scary thing about tornadoes. Scary thing about tornadoes is it can be literally perfect outside, and all of a sudden a fucking tornado can show up out of fucking nowhere, and that's just crazy because we have a high risk of tornadoes tonight. We're like risked, but like not that high of a risk, to be honest with you. It's more down in Oklahoma City, and I'm like nowhere. It's more down towards Oklahoma City, and we are not in Oklahoma City. I'm like more in the upper north area, northeastern area. So hopefully it doesn't hit us anytime soon, but it is starting to look very windy and everything else. So yeah, but we are going to work. Gotta push through it, down 2.5K on the day. So, cause we ended up losing that last trade. But other than that, guys, I will catch you guys later. Alright, boys, we are now fucking raining like a motherfucker. Supposedly we're supposed to get a tornado, but we'll have to see. Hopefully not. I ain't trying to die, you know what I mean? But gonna have to drive through this rain, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Bro, my car is definitely getting a car wash right now, bro. It's just crazy. Alright, boys, I'm going to call it a day. We are down about 2.5K on the day. Yeah, just hopefully we can do a lot better tomorrow. And I will catch you guys all tomorrow. We made it home safe, surprisingly. No, I'm playing. We made it home safe. But other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all tomorrow on the live stream.